Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I believe this is our first night vlog at the shop. I don't think I've actually shown you guys what the lighting looks like at night, so wanted to make a quick video. I know we haven't made a video in quite a while. As you guys saw at the intro, we haven't talked much about the Trans Am, about the 78 Bandit TA. The car, and I'll mention again for some of you that are new or some of you that haven't kept up with it. It's a 78 SC Special Edition Bandit Trans Am, if you want to call it that. It's an all original numbers matching car. 400 Pontiac, 400 4-speed, posi track rear end, 342 gear, factory T-top car, factory AC car, all numbers matching. And as you guys saw, I say we damaged the engine, but I don't think we damaged the engine. If you guys see the video, and I'll put a link to it, when we picked up the car from the dealer where we purchased the car, I believe they just weren't very truthful with everything about the car. But then again, from what I understand, they're just a consignment shop, and from what the salesman told me, they don't really do anything to the cars when they get them. All they do is they just take them in and park them, and then they advertise them for the person that's selling them, and then that's it. So it's kind of up to you to do your due diligence and make sure that the car is what they say it is. Unfortunately for us, this was of course last year during the hardest part of COVID. So we didn't really do much other than talk to the guy on the phone, and we just went up there real quick to pick up the car. We didn't do much more than that. So when we got the car always had a little noise, a little tick. We did try heavier oils in it, and the tick did go away, but eventually it just got louder and louder and louder to the point where it was just getting uncomfortable. So we decided it would be best to just go ahead and repair the engine. Unfortunately, we couldn't find a local place to that we could really trust to tear into the engine and find out what's wrong with it. The other option was to look for another engine, another 400, while we had the original engine rebuilt. After talking about it with my son, we decided that we would commit sacrilege, and we would in fact LS swap the motor out. And that's exactly what we did. The job we started, I believe, way back in early December is when we started the job of pulling the motor out and gathering all the parts. People talk about $1,500 LS swaps, and I'm going to tell you this: you can do $1,500 LS swaps, but it's going to look like hell. I mean, it really is. It's going to look horrible. You're going to have wiring everywhere. You're going to use the original truck intake, things like that. It's just going to look bad, right? And we didn't want that for this car, but we did want it to look nice, and we wanted it to look presentable. So it did cost a little bit of money to get it done right. Right here we have the old lump. We have the old 400 Pontiac. We pulled it all out as one unit, complete, with the AC compressor still on it and everything, right? So the plans are for this engine, we're just gonna probably take it up to Houston, or probably send it off to Butler, somebody that can go through it, rebuild it for us, and give it back to us. And then we'll just probably put it on a crate and put it away. There aren't any plans to ever sell this car, so we'll just hang on to it and put it away, and for future, because the car is a valuable car in my opinion, being that it is an original Starlight Black. We have the build sheet for the car. The car did come with all the gold graphics. Came with the snowflake wheels. Came with the tan interior, the 4-speed transmission, and all that good stuff. So all that is original to the car. So let me show you guys real quick. Let me grab a light, and we'll look under the hood real quick. Here we go. She's a heavy one. All right, let's grab the light again. That light don't want to cooperate. There we go. So there you go. This is a 6.0 liter LQ9 engine. We used all the accessories, drives off of like a C6 Corvette to get it in there. We used BRP mounts, and we kept the original 4-speed by going with is it Pace Performance sells a kit that allows you to keep the original 4-speed in the original location, and it allows you to connect it back to the 6.0 LQ9 newer style engine. So that was pretty cool. That worked flawlessly. Everything went right back in like it should. In order to keep the shaker, we ordered this air cleaner assembly from Butler Performance. From what I understand, these actually come from Pro Touring F Body is who they source these from, and I had to modify it just a little bit for the LQ9 for the 6.0. I had to do a little bit of grinding, a little bit of re-riveting the base, but other than that, once we got it in there, it worked out perfect, and it allowed it to bolt right back in where it should go. So everything worked out the way it should. So far, the car has the engine has 50 miles on it, so we haven't really broken it in yet. We've taken it out for a couple of drives, and here we'll insert a video of taking the car out around the block. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That was pretty cool. We need to get a better mic so we can really get some sound going. So again, the car runs great, drives great, but we do need to break it in. It's only got 50 miles on it right now. You can see we got the 4-speed back in the original location. If you saw it. I apologize for the sound of the fans. They are super loud. So anyway, again, I wanted to just make a quick night vlog. It's the only opportunity I've had to make a video. We've been pretty busy with work. We've been trying to stay safe with this whole COVID stuff, and again, you know, I want to keep the videos positive, and you know, the only thing I do want to mention to you guys is continue to stay safe. We've been avoiding a lot of race events and things of that nature. We've been avoiding a lot of the bigger car shows. We've avoided big swap meets, things of that nature. Last year around September, we did lose my my mom to this virus. I think it was about September 20th when my parents both got sick, and my mom ended up not making it. So again, please stay safe. I want to thank each and every one of you. I think we surpassed 3,000 subscribers in the last couple of months. I really appreciate that. But again, I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. From what I understand, I've got a couple of neighbors that subscribe to the channel. That's pretty awesome. And if you guys see us out there in our cars, don't forget to say hi and maybe wave at us. But again, please continue to stay safe. This thing is not over. And I just again, I want to make sure that we all continue to do what we do and stay happy and do our car thing that we do. That's it for tonight. I did promise you guys a video tonight, so I'll make sure to edit this video and get it uploaded right away. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully in just a couple of days. I'm not going to wait months again to do this, so stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for watching.